ओम श्रीमद् भगवद गीता सिंपल मीनिंग चैप्टर 3 कर्म योग वर्स 15 कर्म ब्रह्मोद्भवं विद्धि ब्रह्माक्षर समुद्भवम् तस्मात् सर्वगतं ब्रह्म नित्यं यज्ञे प्रतिष्ठितम्। पदच्छेद कर्म ब्रह्मोद्भवम् ब्रह्मा उद्भवम् ब्रह्मोद्भवम् विद्धि ब्रह्मा अक्षर समुद्भवम् तस्मात् सर्वगतं ब्रह्म नित्यं यज्ञे प्रतिष्ठितम्। Karma, the action, the work. Brahma, here this word Brahma, here it is the Vedas. Vedas are also called as Brahma. Udbhavam, produced. So the word from Vedas, it is originated, Udbhavam, originated or produced. Viddhi, know like that. You should know like that. Brahma, the Vedas, Akshara, from the Supreme Brahman, Samudbhavam, manifested. Tasmat, therefore, Sarvagatam, all pervading, Brahma, the transcendence, the Supreme Brahman, Nityam, eternally, Yajne, in sacrifice, Pratishthitam, is located or established. So the acts of sacrifice originate from Vedas, which is here called as Brahma. Vedas are also called Brahma. So all the acts of sacrifice, they are originated from the Vedas, and the Vedas in turn they arise from the imperishable being, the Akshara Samudbhavam. Tasmat, thus, Sarvagatam Brahma, the all-pervading Brahman, the God principle, is Nityam Yajne Pratishthitam, eternally or ever rests in sacrifice. So the previous shloka was Annad bhavanti bhutani parjanyad anna sambhavaha yajnad bhavati parjanyo yajna karma samudbhavaha. And then in continuation of that, karma brahmodbhavam viddhi. The yajna in the previous shloka was required for bringing the rains. So yajna here is given the place where the Brahman, the imperishable, all-pervading God principle, rests in sacrifice. So here, as in the very beginning itself, in the verse 10, the explanation given there was how the fire ritual, yajna, which is known to us by Vedas, which is mentioned in the Vedas, the sacrificial fire, is symbolically used here to make us understand that the self-dedicated effort, the work done in self-dedication, selfless action that creates a favorable atmosphere for any benefit that all of us will get. So in the previous shloka we see Yajnat Parjanya. Parjanya is rain. So from rain is here is an indication of the favorable atmosphere, favorable situation wherein by which we get the food, anna. The food is grown by rains. So from that all the life is sustained. So in this way, symbolically, the yajna is shown to be the important thing, important activity. So wherein here in this shloka again it is being stressed upon, highlighted, underlined that the God principle itself is present in this yajna. So this effort, this self-dedicated activity, so in that the God principle exists, is established, is always there. So this clearly gives us how important the selfless action is. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Tat Sat Shri Ramakrishna Arpanamastu.